Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Intex metal frame pool. First, choose a flat, level area for your pool, ideally one that receives plenty of sunlight. Clear away any sharp objects, rocks, or debris that could damage the liner. A ground cloth or tarp is highly recommended to protect the bottom of your pool from punctures and provide an extra layer of cushioning. This crucial first step ensures a stable and safe foundation for years of enjoyment. Now, let's assemble the frame. Carefully unpack all parts and lay them out. Allow the pool liner to warm in the sun for about 10 minutes. This makes it much easier to work with. Begin by sliding the horizontal beams through the sleeves at the top of the liner. Connect these beams with the plastic T-joints, working your way around the pool. Next, attach the vertical support legs to the T-joints, ensuring they pass through the liner's belt loops. Double-check that all connections are firm and the frame is standing upright. With the frame assembled, spread the pool liner evenly, making sure the drain plug is securely closed. Orient the liner so the pump connection holes are facing your desired pump location. Start filling the pool with about 1 to 2 inches of water. This initial water weight helps you smooth out any wrinkles on the bottom of the liner, pushing them from the center towards the edges. Once smooth, connect your filter pump hoses to the designated inlet and outlet ports, securing them tightly. Then, continue filling the pool to its recommended fill line. Before enjoying your new pool, perform final checks. Confirm all pump connections are tight and inspect for any leaks. Run your filter pump for at least 8 to 12 hours daily to ensure proper circulation and filtration. Regularly test your water's pH and alkalinity levels, adding appropriate chemicals to keep it balanced and sanitized. Use a skimmer net and brush for routine cleaning. Remember, continuous adult supervision is crucial, and always remove toys from the pool area when not in use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.